Hello, everyone. Welcome to Toyeen Talks. Welcome back to Toyeen Talks. To all our beautiful and wonderful subscribers, we say thank you so much for staying with us. And if you're new here, we are so happy you find us. Please don't forget to like, share our videos, subscribe to our channel, and hit on the notification bell so you'll be notified for upcoming videos. And in the comment section, please note the regretful comments. Please no derogatory comments. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. We love you. Bye.